So in last video we were talking about how to prepare to join ship. Now we have taken the flight, gone to the destination, check in the airport, gone to the ship. Now what to do? Now when the agent has picked you up and taken to the hotel or the ship, wherever it is, he will get your immigration done, he will get your immigration cleared and he will take you to ship. अब क्या होगा? Now you went and you just saw the ship. It's only 150,000 ton ship. And it's a huge ship, seeing from front to back. तो क्या होगा? आपका दिल धड़कने लगेगा कि क्या करूँगा मैं. ओके, नेवर माइंड, जहाज में तो जाना ही है. Even happened the incident, the people have gone on ship and they did not board the ship. Why? Because they happen to fear कि क्या होगा. कुछ नहीं होगा. Nobody is going to kill you. आप जहाज में काम करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. Okay. So keep few things in your mind. Your luggage will be picked up by somebody. They will put it with the rope, tie up with the rope and pull to the on board. One bag I told you in the last video, your all documents, your passport, your CDC, everything should be with you in a bag. And do not hand over to anyone. Go on board. When you climb, take that bag with you. If your luggage is fallen down to sea, no matter. You can get the boiler suit, everything. But if your passport, CDC has gone, your everything is gone. Okay. So that bag is your life. Keep it safe. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will go on board. Some operations will be going on, either loading or discharging will be going on. You will go on board. Then you will meet the different people. Somebody will guide you to the mess room. Go, have water, meet people. So many ships you will find when you enter into the ship, there is a brass plate fitted on the entrance, like your hand. It is made like hand. You must go and touch that plate. Why? Because your body having the static charge, and the charge may create a spark. So when you are going and touching the plate on the, so you are basically neutralizing the charges. So you are at the potential of ship. Okay. Then you will either go to CCR or you go to the bridge, or somebody will guide you. And it depends if it is night or something like dinner time, and they will say, okay, pehle khana kha lo. Have dinner first. Okay. Or lunch, whatever it is. And then they will show you where you are going to stay. They will put your luggage. Then they will depute third officer or somebody. He will take your documents. See, it all depends on the situations. Sometimes they will say, okay, start working, we'll take the documents later on. Sometimes they will take your passport, CDC, everything with you. And with third officer or somebody, or with the captain, they will keep it on the bridge. And then you will get, since most of we are from engine room. You have to meet chief engineer, you have to meet second year, you go to, then you will have a, maybe you are the reliever and the person who is on board. If there is already trainee or whoever it is, whatever rank it is, on what rank you are joining. So there will be same rank there. So then he will take you around the ship, show you everything. He will show you everything and keep on telling, this is this, this is this, this is machinery, that machine is that machinery. So he will tell you lot of machineries, but you will be totally lost. Why? Because you are tired. You have traveled a lot and you are tired. You will understand half and you will not understand nothing and anything. Okay. Make a note, try to take a diary. Keep on writing things on the diary. Whatever he is saying is blah, 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 you keep on writing on this. Okay. Then he will take you around the ship. He will show you everything. So after, you might get 1 hour, you might get 10 hours, you may get 2 days, you may get 3 days parallelly. So it all depends. Not necessary that within 1 hour, many times you will have like when you are joining, that guy is going off. So situation can be many. Many situations can be. Or you are joining, like ship is just about to sail. Then you have to struggle with system. So since you are joining, you must check power supply on board. How much is the power supply? Like 440 volt, and lighting supply like 220 volt or 110 volt. Because your equipment like laptop, your mobile, this you don't. But nowadays the like mobile coming with a universal adapters. So they work on 110 also, they work on 240, 220 also. Okay. But you should know that. What is your power supply? Go to the engine room. When he is taking you around, keep on writing every data into your notebook. Keep on writing data into your notebook. Okay. Then what happened? Then you will go on board. Then next day you will be taking round. Go to the main switchboard. After going to main switchboard, write down the parameters. You check. First you check the location, because 3-4 days you won't be able to see the door, where the door it is, how to go to dining hall, how to go to toilet, how to go to your cabin. 3-4 days you will have a lot of problem, even a week. Okay. Then you will go to the main switchboard, check the insulation. You should know how to check the insulation. Then you write down the parameters, what the current it is. All starters will be there, so you can write down what the current, how much current it is drawing, just for your reference. Your lamps, every indications you have to check. You have to be familiarized with all machinery. Very important. Do not argue. Since you are the starting point of your career, listen. If they are telling, okay, this, then you listen their advice. Okay, you listen to their advices, and because they all are your seniors. Nobody has learned things from their houses, from their home. Everybody learns things in your field. So I hope whatever you have learned here, that you will do it something better on board. And do not have argument, learn something, whatever things are missing, do practical, and have dollars, keep it in your pocket, put the button, come home safely, because somebody is waiting at home. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, best of luck.